Wondershare Filmora for noobs.
Here are crazy compound clips tricks that you should start using. Well, whenever you are editing, have you ever thought of bringing another unfinished project into the current project that you are editing? Well, you never thought of that only because your mind tells you that it's impossible. Yeah, it was impossible until you have just come across this video. Well, close this current project for a moment. Now you open that project that you want to transfer into your current project. Right here, you just have to make sure that you select everything. Right, select, and use this option right here, which is the compound clip. Once you have created your compound clip like this, you can just right select your compound clip and use this option right here to save it as a custom compound clip. And now it's quite simple, my dear. Go back to your current project. And right here, you can go under the editing process, compound clips, and then look for your custom compound clip that you've just created in another project. When you find it, drag it down onto the end of your current project to avoid confusion. And then again, right select it, and then use this option right here, which is detach compound clip. Then you go for the full range. There you go, 2 of your projects in a single project. How cool is that? Subscribe, my dear friend. Huh? Why not? Well, for this second tip, let's say today you are just in the zones and you are editing your audio on the equalizer and you've created the best combination of settings that you really know that you can never repeat that good. So maybe we can say today's your lucky day, but guess what? Once you close this project, you can never use the same setting again in Filmora because there's no way to save a preset for the equalizer setting. Well, let's find out if there is no way to do that. Just right select your audio in your timeline, create a compound clip, save it as the audio presets, and now right select again and create a compound clip custom. Once you've done that, that means you have a compound clip in every future project with this audio. Not just this audio, but this audio with these effects.
Now let's say I've opened a new project here. I can just go again to the editing presets, compound clip, just select my audio preset, compound clip, and then open it. Right select the audio in there and then copy the effects. And then you can go to your current project, doesn't matter, maybe it's 100 years later. Right select your audio in current project and paste these audio effects. And there you have it. How cool is that? Well, in previous versions of Filmora, we used to apply effects on our titles through the green screen. You just had to add a green screen behind your title, export that clip. Now bring it back in your timeline as a video form. This time around, you were just supposed to do the chroma key to remove the green screen and remain with your title again. And then now you could add effects. But that was a long way. This time around, we just have to right select your titles in the timeline, create a compound clip, and then after that, you can add your effects, and those effects are going to affect exactly your titles the way you want. And that wraps up our today's episode, my dear friend. If you have enjoyed it, subscribe and share the content. And before you go, can we just talk again in that other video right there? Thank you so much.